and then the value. Right, so font family. Instructions. The Mistwood Publishers website could be improved with a more stylish font. In the main.css, locate the H1 selector. Inside the curly braces brackets, add font family Palentino, Linotype, Serif. Run your code. H1 selector, yeah? So we're going to start with the font family. Valentino. And serif. So let's run that. Okay. Yeah, there's quite a difference. Not a huge difference, but there definitely is a difference. Okay, let's move forward. All right, now we're moving on to color. So instructions, H1 heading elements on the Mistwood publishing websites are colored black by default. Let's change them to red. In main.css, locate the H1 selector directly underneath the line of code where you added the font family property, add color with the value of red. Okay, so within the H1, let's add color with the value of red. We run that. Okay, replace red with a different named color. Here are some options: chocolate, dark olive green, deep blue sky. Let's try deep. It's something that is contrasting, so to replace that with chocolate's pretty. Let's try chocolate. Chocolato. That's not that great. I prefer dark olive green. Something more contrasting. Right, I'm not going to run that, otherwise, yeah, I'm going to get the third instruction incorrect. Hex color, provide millions of different shades of color. Try replacing the name color with one of the hex colors below. So let's replace that with 2E69A3. Okay, that's like a light blue. So the hex colors listed in the previous step can also be created using RGB values. Try this out by swapping out the hex color value on the left for the RGB value of the right. See the result in the browser. So this is the RGB value. So let's just swap that out. RGB 6 105 63. Turn that.